In this video, I am going to teach you guys how to design a WordPress website like a professional. So you guys might be wondering what I am doing with a cat today. So since this is my third video and I own three cats, I thought I would introduce you to my cats today. Misty, say hi. Come on, say hi. All right. Okay, so we are back at our desk now, and we are going to pick up from my last video where I taught you guys how to install WordPress on DreamHost, and then we also saw how to purchase the domain from Namecheap and how to install a SSL certificate so that we can get the padlock next to our address bar so that the people, your audience, will see that your website is secure. So, without delay, let's go back to my screen. So, this is the website that we created yesterday, and this is the website we will try to achieve. This is the website that eventually the WordPress domain, my money web, will look like at the end of day. If you do not know how to install WordPress, or if you have missed my last video, please go and take a look at it so that you can catch up with what we are going to do up today on this video. Now let's go back to the admin panel for My Money Web. So this is the panel here. We go back to our installed plugins for people who have not caught up. We installed Elementor. We installed Elementor Essential Add-ons. We installed Starter Template from Astra, and we installed Better Search and Replace to convert HTTP links to HTTPS links so that your website only loads using HTTPS protocol and it will always have a padlock on the address bar. This is the padlock I'm talking about. So once you have these plugins installed, we are going to go to appearance. Then we are going to go to starter templates. Wait for it. And then we will install the theme that we like. So I prefer this one. Of course, we won't be using this. We are not creating a product page. We will be creating a website like this. But I like this one, and I will show you in how to change website that looks like this to this without any coding. So we are going to click on import complete site. So I have it previously imported, so I'm just going to delete it and then I'm going to click on import. So it will import in a minute or two. So our imports completed successfully. It took around 3 minutes to finish this. Now if you will go here and if you will click refresh, yeah. So the page has been imported successfully. So now we want to change the look of this page, and this is our home page. So we are going to click on edit with Elementor. If you're missing this option, that means your Elementor plugin has not been activated. Okay. So let's see what we want to do here. So we want to change this text. We want to put my money web. Let's say we don't want this. Best money making guide. Get started on your money making journey with us today. So we are going to delete this. and we don't want this. Let's delete things that we don't want. So I'm just selecting it and I'm pressing the delete button. Delete this. Now we are going to show our posts here. If you will see here, these are our posts. So we are going to set best latest. Okay, let's put latest articles for money making. We don't want this. We don't want this as well, and we don't want. Let's see what we have there. So we have a search, we have feature products. Okay, so we are going to delete this whole block we don't want, and then we don't want this. Let's delete this as well. Okay, so we cannot edit this. It seems this will be deleted in the footer. So let's go back up here and let's start adding our things. So we don't want this. We want to replace it with some money making guide. So let's go to a website called Pixels. Pixels photos are on Creative Commons license. Basically, you can use them in a commercial thing without crediting the author, but it is good practice to credit the people who have contributed this photo, but it is not a requirement. So let's say we want money. Well, I can't see anything good. So what I will do is I will go to Canva. Canva is a free website I use for all my webs pictures designing. Yeah, as you see, even this one I designed here only. So we will go to create a new design, and then we are going to select let's say 500 to 500. Let's see what is the dimension of this picture here. Okay, so the picture dimension is 1024 into 1024. So that is what we are going to use. We are going to click here custom, and then we are going to choose 1024, 1024, and then create new design. Now here we have bunch of options. So I'm just going to go to a simple one, and let's say this one. So we are going to call it dot. So let's see how it looks. Okay, this one has a white background. So let's try to keep up with that. Okay, so we will select this. We will go to background here, and we will use a white background. Didn't change. Okay, so it went to white background now. And this looks very simple. So let's add couple of photos here. So we are going to go to uploads. Okay, uploads. Okay, we are going to put this money photo. We are going to reduce its size. We are going to make sure it fits here. Okay, let's bring this forward. Yeah, there we go. So now looks decent. It is still sort of empty. So what we can do here, we have couple of options here. So what we can do is let's put some, I guess, floating money. So let's go to photos. We will use the floating money. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to send backwards, more backward, more backward. Let's put it as background. Okay, now we can put it little transparent. There we go. So now it's looking pretty good. A little. Okay, let's keep it at as red. You can customize it to whatever you want. So I will just download it. Okay, so it downloaded. Just going to open it, and then we are going to go back to our page. Elementor, and then we are going to choose image. We are going to select file. We are going to paste file, and it's uploading. Okay, and we are going to select insert media. Instead of this, let's try to create a new size. Let's put it as custom dimensions with let's put it at 600 9. Let's put it at 800. Width and height should be 300. Yeah, okay. So, and we are going to use the same one. We are going to what is this called? Okay, so we will do a control A, control C, and we will just paste it here. And we will select this background, we will copy it, we will paste it, and there we go. We have a new design ready with a new size. We will just download it. We will go here, we will copy it, and we will click on edit. We will just do a choose image, and we will choose upload files. We will upload it. This one should fit nicely. Yep, there we go. So this one fits. So latest articles. Now what we need to do is we want to insert here our latest posts. So we are going to click on plus, and we are going to select called something with posts recent. We are going to select from EA. This is the reason we installed essential add-ons. So we will use this post grid here, and we don't got this. We just delete this column. Okay, so no post found because we don't have a post yet. Now what we need to do is we need to customize here couple of things. If you want author name here, you can put the author name. If you don't want, we don't want to put it. So categories, formats, offset, date, and layout setting. So you can change the read more. If you will come here, we have continue reading, right? So this is what we are going to put here. Continue, and then you can disable the meta. We don't want to show these meta. If you want to show, it's okay. You can set the author, you can show the author name, you can show when the post was posted. I don't like to show these, so I will just turn it off. And then you have your read more button is this thing, continue reading. And then some words, how many character words you want to show there, what is the expansion. At the end, expansion parameter is this part at the end, triple dots. And okay, so we don't want this also. What is this? Let's delete this. Okay, so let's see what else we are missing here. So posts we have added, latest articles we have added. We are going to let's just open it in a new tab and we can see how it is looking. You can preview from there also during midway, but it is, I prefer to see full view and see how it looks like. Okay, so this one looks very big, and we have one more part here. So it is up to you if you want to show these or not. So I don't want to, so what I will do is I will come here and I will just delete this. This section I will delete. So now it has combined, and a black one I want, this one I want, and yeah. So if you will see here, these are called shadows. So let's quickly go to our admin page and let's create a post so that I can show you how it will look like. Okay, So we are in our editor here. We will do a test. We will do a testing page. Some gibberish data here. And then we are going to do a publish. Yes, we want to publish. Okay. And then we will do a refresh. And it should show here. Okay. So you have one page here. Let's create a bunch of more posts. Add new. We need three or four just to showcase how things will look like. And then we will click publish. You do a refresh. Now, if you will see, it is not looking very clean. If you will see here, the posts are looking very nice, tidy in a full block. So what we are going to do is we are going to come back to our Elementor and we are going to, let's do a refresh here so that the correct latest data is reflected here. Yeah, then we are going to click on this and we need to customize this. So for the posts per page, we want to show at least 8 posts per page. And then we are going to come down to layout setting. Let me just hide myself for a minute. And I'm going to go here, select grid. And then I want to show load more. Load more is this part, load more stories. So, and you can customize it whatever you want. So we can type here load more articles, and we need to show columns as 2, and template layout is light, it is okay. So now you will see if it is looking close to like this, but even the design is not that good yet. So we click on update. And now we need to come to style and we select the post background. Let's put as little slightly pinkish. Okay. Then we can go to select styles, style to. Okay. Now we come down to border radius. Let's see. Yeah, border radius we want. Then we come down to here. We do this. So this is what is giving you that look. So you see, compared to this. Now what we want to do is we want to change the border type, color, we want to customize, and we want to put a solid color. And then we click on update. You see, now it is coming quite clear. Now, if you will see, this button is still bluish. We don't want it to blue. We want to change the color of the button. So we come here, we click on it, we come down to red. This is orange. We come down to red, and we can put it to deep red. Yeah, and we can click on update. So let me show you how it is looking like now. Yep, see, much better, right? Now we don't want to show this heading on the top. So what we can do is we go to edit page, not edit page, we want to go to customize. And we want to disable the header. So we go to primary header, primary menu, and we click on disable menu and we publish. Take last item outside menu, we don't want this. This is the reason this part is coming. Okay, So we go back to here, we go back to site identity. We come down, we remove the organic store. We don't want it to display it. Yep. So we click on publish and we can close this. Yeah, so what has happened is the data has been cached. Let's delete the cache. Yep, there we go. See? So we have changed the logo, we have changed the title, we have our posts were dynamically so here, and only thing left is we want to delete the footer. So we go to edit with Elementor footer, and we want to change this to copyright. Okay, so we go to, yeah, so we don't want all this. If you need, you can have these, of course, but in general, we don't want this, so I will just delete it. So yeah, there we go. My Money Web, and these links you can customize to your Facebook link and so on and so forth. And then again, like usual, you click on update, and yeah, let's see how it looks. Okay, so there you go, folks. Now you learned how to create a website like this. You can, of course, tweak around and see how things will look like, which color you like better, which layout you like better, and so on and so forth. You can open these. These are proper working links. And these pages also you can customize. You can click on edit with Elementor and you can change these pages. And same way, just like I showed you, you can customize the pages, and you can make them look like this. The colors you can change, just like I showed you. You can hide these. These are options. If I click on edit on Elementor and actually you customize here, actually it is a extra option. Come on, customize this page. Then we go to blog, single post, and here you can customize this. So I don't want to show, for example, the author name. I don't want to show the category, and I don't want to show the comments. So you can do all this and you can click on publish. So see, those are gone here. And then from these menus you can customize the color. Somewhere it should have that option. Go to global colors, base color. So instead of theme color green, you can customize it to red. So these will become red. Link color we want to change to orange, for example. So these become orange, and so on and so forth. You can choose the background color, you can choose the heading color, you can customize this as you want. See, little, little orange, little, that is, what do I have here? Let's see. It is very light shade of red. So that is, let's say yeah. So you click on publish, and those changes are live. You need to delete the cache. Yeah, see, it is so simple to create and modify these changes. All right, it is almost 28 minutes now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in next video.